Grasshopper is proud to introduce its latest innovation, the exclusive PowerFold mower deck option. The patent-pending PowerFold mechanism features a dual-purpose design that allows a single switch to control both deck lift and cutting height. Available as an option on 33 series 48-inch decks and 34 series 52 and 61-inch decks, PowerFold utilizes an efficient electric motor to effortlessly raise or lower the deck. Once raised, the overall length is shorter than many mid-mount mowers. As a result, you'll require less storage space and get more mowers on your trailer. The exclusive PowerFold design makes routine maintenance incredibly convenient whenever you service your blades, clean the underside of the deck, or install and remove mulching shrouds. Not only does the exclusive PowerFold design make servicing more convenient, but it also lets you make infinite cutting height selections between 1 and 4.5 inches. For precise height control, these height control stops allow you to return to your exact cutting height every time. You'll also find PowerFold makes deck removal even easier. While the PowerFold option offers the ultimate in convenience, all Grasshopper 33 and 34 series mower decks feature a remarkably simple fold-up design. To raise the deck to the fold-up position, simply raise and lock the footrest and lower the height adjustment arm. Then lift the front of the deck until it latches. That's all there is to it. A leverage assist arm, standard on 52 and 61-inch decks, makes lifting and lowering these larger decks even easier. For almost 35 years, Grasshopper has been designing and manufacturing the finest mower decks in the industry. To see all the features of Grasshopper's innovative mower decks, watch the Grasshopper DVD or ask your local dealer for a demonstration today. Isn't it time you made Grasshopper and PowerFold your next mower?
Grasshopper, first to finish, built to last.